The MSI Thin 15 B12UC is a new entrant in the crowded budget gaming laptop market. It promises decent performance for everyday tasks and casual gaming, all wrapped in a sleek and portable chassis. The iconic thin chassis now comes in a brand new Cosmos grey color. Weighing at just 1.86 kg, this is one of the lightest gaming laptops you can buy right now. An excellent choice for those who's constantly on the move, or someone who simply values a balance between performance, portability, and value for your money. (120-watt adapter). Intel Core i5-12450H 12M cache, up to 4.40 Hz. Memory 8GB DDR4 3200MHz. 512GB M2 NVMe GEN4 SSD. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. 4GB GDDR6. Battery 3-cell 52.4 battery, WHR. Expand your vision across multiple displays. Lightning fast and smooth display. Our gaming laptops are tailor-made and highly optimized for gamers. The display comes with a high refresh rate and smooth visuals, allowing you to experience the next level of gaming. 15.6 inches 1080p. Thin bezel display. 144 Hz. Refresh rate. Webcam HD type, 30 FPS at 720p. There are lots of ports at both sides, ranging from USB-A to USB-C, and all of them are high-speed posts, plus a strategically placed HDMI port at the back, so we can get the cable clutter out of the way. The keyboard on the Thin 15 B12UC is decent for everyday typing. It offers a reasonable amount of key travel and a responsive feel. The backlighting is limited to cool blue color. The Thin 15 B12UC comes equipped with a range of 12th Gen Intel Core processors and an NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card. The one we have in the studio comes with the Intel Core i5-12450H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 40W graphics card. This combination is sufficient for running most modern games at 1080p resolution with medium to high graphics settings. Stay cool and quiet under load. Fine-tuned to be noticeably quieter and cooler under load, easily blending into any environment. Battery life under normal usage, you can get around 4 to 5 hours on a single charge, depending on your workload. However, this duration will significantly decrease during heavy gaming sessions. I mean, gaming on battery will also limit the performance and impacting the battery health in long term. So, having the charger handy is recommended for extended use. Overall, the MSI Thin 15 B12UC offers a decent value proposition for casual gamers on a budget. While it may not be the most powerful option on the market, the 144 Hz display and reasonable performance make it a compelling choice for those seeking a balance between affordability and gaming capabilities. Memory DDR4 3200, max 64GB, 2 slots.